Looking for a printer with a compact design, convenient portability, and quality results? Have it all with Brady's new Wraptor A6200 wrap printer applicator. Let's get to know it a little bit better. In order to properly wrap a wire with the Wraptor A6200, hold your hand steady and insert the wire into the wrapper module. Follow the operation of the machine as it goes in and out. There are two improper ways when wrapping a wire. Pushing the wire in too hard will cause the printer to stall. Pulling the wire from the wrapping module too soon will cause the printer to stop. To recover from pushing the wire too hard or pulling the wire too soon, you must clear two on-screen errors. To clear the wrapper not in position error, open the wrapper module if not already open. If possible, remove any labels within the wrapper mechanism so they do not get stuck. Close the wrapper module, and the printer will automatically release the wire. To recover from print error, head back to the home screen and press Load Supply. Then follow the on-screen instructions to feed one label. First, open the wrapper module, then press Feed Supply. After you get the first label, close the wrapper module, press Done, and then press Home. Now you're ready to continue your printing job. When changing your consumables, always check for spent labels and adhesive buildup. Starting from where the consumable was loaded, look all the way through the first drive roller, the notch sensors, and the frontal guides. Use isopropyl alcohol to clean if necessary and remove any wasted labels. To properly clean the wrapper module, first open the wrapper module. Unlatch the peeler door, then remove the consumable. Make sure to check the peel plate for adhesive buildup, labels on the rollers, and labels going down the chute. Clean with isopropyl alcohol and remove labels as needed. For fiber optic users, to adjust the tension of the jaws in order to avoid damaging the fiber optic cables, first go to the home screen and press Settings. Press System Configuration, then press Apply Tension. For regular users, this will be defaulted on. For fiber optic users, turn Apply Tension off. Press Home, and you're ready to start wrapping. If you want to print and peel a label only for hand application in a tight area, first open the wrapper module. Go to the home screen and press Print Only. Now you have a label ready for hand application. See what else is possible with the Wraptor A6200 Wrap Printer Applicator today.